Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I am inviting those students who are studying in class 8. Our today's class about folk songs of English first part, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Okay, now I want to start the class. Dear students, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and like. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much. Okay, dear students. Can we see here something? Yes, dear students, do you know the names of these instruments? These are musical instruments. Just try to say the name of these instruments. This is ektara, dotara, bamboo flute, sharinda, guitar, drum, harmonium, piano, tabla and violin. These all are musical instruments. Okay, I think you are all know about the names of these musical instruments. Okay, dear students, today I want to give some information about listen to information, listen to and follow the announcements, understand texts. Okay, dear students, first I have to read the text, then I will try to give some questions to you. Dear students, Bengali folk songs have an important musical influence in the lives of the Bengalis. Before the advent of radio, folk songs were the only medium of entertainment for their recreation. Let us know about different folk songs of Bangladesh. Okay, Baul song is mainly inspired by Lalon Fakir and almost exclusively performed by hermits. Bhatiali is the music of fishermen and boatmen. Bhatiali is the music of fishermen and boatmen. The bullock carts drivers of the northern part of Bangladesh, especially in Rangpur, sing a specially song named Bhawaiya. Okay, Gambira is a popular song in Chapai Nawabganj. In the northwest part of Bangladesh, it is performed by two persons, a young man and his grandfather. Gambira song represents different social issues in an amusing manner. The songs of Hasan Raja are devotional songs. These songs are very popular in Sylhet, which is the birthplace of Hasan Raja. Jatrapala songs are entirely connected with plays performed on stages and have their historical background. Lalon Giti is the best known of all folk songs. These songs are sung by Lalon Fakir, a spiritual philosopher of Bangladesh. He was born in Kustia and well known to all in both Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. Okay, dear students, just if you want to give the answer of any questions of this chapter, of course you will try to read this text attentively. Then if you read this text attentively, I think you will be able to give all kinds of questions answer very easily and very quickly. Okay, dear students, now I want to give some vocabulary for you. Just look at this. First, folk song. Do you know the meaning of folk song? Now try to see a picture. We can see here a lot of people were gathering here. An old man is singing a song. This is called folk song. This is called folk song. Folk song means লোকসঙ্গীত। ফক সং শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে লোকসঙ্গীত। তো লোকসঙ্গীতটা কি জিনিস? Folk song, typical music that tells the life of our rural people. যেই গানগুলো গ্রাম্য জীবনের, গ্রাম্য মানুষের জীবনের কথা বলে, সেটাই হচ্ছে লোকসঙ্গীত, ফক সং, টিপিক্যাল মিউজিক দ্যাট টেলস দ্য লাইফ অফ আওয়ার রুরাল পিপল। So can you make any sentence taking the word folk songs? Yes, Lalon Giti, Bhatiyali, Jari, Shari, Gambira are the examples of folk songs. Okay, Lalon Giti, Bhatiyali, Jari, Shari, Gambira are the examples of folk songs. Now I think you learned about folk songs. This is a very important vocabulary. Now, instrument. Instrument means jontro. Can you see here? This is musical instrument. Harmonium, tabla, bamboo flutes, all are musical instruments. So, instrument means jontro. So, can you make any sentence or same word? Instrument, a tool used for a particular task. So we can see here harmonium is a musical instrument. So if we make any sentence taking the word instrument, harmonium is a musical instrument. Harmonium হলো একটা গানের বাদ্যযন্ত্র. Okay, then tune. Do you know the meaning of tune? Tune means সুরময় করা. Okay, tune means সুরময় করা. The tune of folk songs has an appeal to everyone. The tune of folk songs has an appeal to everyone. Okay, tune, that means melody. Tune, that means melody, অর্থাৎ সুরময় করা. Okay, then traditional. Can you see here? Lungi and shari. Lungi and shari are our traditional dress. ট্র্যাডিশনাল মানে হচ্ছে ঐতিহ্যবাহী. ট্র্যাডিশনাল মানে কি? ঐতিহ্যবাহী. দেখো, ঐতিহ্যবাহী. তো এই যে আমাদের ড্রেসটা দীর্ঘদিন থেকে চলে আসছে, সেটাকে আমরা ট্র্যাডিশনাল ড্রেস বলি. বিলিভস ওয়ার ওয়ে অফ লাইফ অফ পিপল দ্যাট এক্সিস্টস ফর এ লং টাইম. যেটা দীর্ঘদিন থেকে চলে আসছে, এরকম কিছুকে আমরা কি বলি? ঐতিহ্যবাহী. যেমন শাড়ি, লুঙ্গি আর ট্র্যাডিশনাল ড্রেসেস ইন বাংলাদেশ. So if we want to make any sentence taking the word traditional, we can write this: shari and lungi are traditional dresses in Bangladesh. Okay, dear students, just you will try to follow this vocabulary and you will try to write some sentences taking this word. Okay, now dear students, can you choose the right answer of this MCQ? Which song was popular before the advent of radio? Can you give answer? Okay, dear students, which song was popular before the advent of radio? This is folk songs. Who are the main singers of Bhavaya songs? Yes, Bhavaya songs. This is bullock cart drivers. Okay, bullock cart drivers. ভাওয়াইয়া গান সাধারণত যারা গরুর গাড়ি চালায় তারা এই গানটি গেয়ে থাকে. ওকে, নেক্সট, which region of Bangladesh is famous for গাম্ভীরা song? This is চাপাই নবাবগঞ্জ. দেখো, চাপাই নবাবগঞ্জের লোকজন গাম্ভীরা সং, যেটাকে আমরা বলি পালা গান গেয়ে থাকে. নেক্সট, where was হাসন রাজা born? Hasan Raja born in Sylhet. Hasan Raja born in Sylhet. Okay, dear students. Next, who is Lalon Fakir? Of course, Lalon Fakir is a spiritual philosopher. একজন আধ্যাত্মিক দার্শনিক, ঠিক না? তো who is Lalon Fakir? A spiritual philosopher. Okay, dear students. Next, can you matching the words from A column to B column? Gambhira. Do you know Gambhira? Gambhira, song of Chapai Nababganj. Okay, Gambhira is a song of Chapai Nababganj. So Gambhira, Chapai Nababganj. Bhavaya, the song of Rangpur. Lalongiti, Kushtia, songs of Hasan Raja, Sylhet. Okay, dear students, Gambhira, Chapai-Nawabganj, Bhawaiya, Rangpur, Lalongiti Kustia, Song of Hasan Raja, Silet. Okay, dear students. Next, can you fill in the gaps? Okay, I think if you read the text attentively, it will be uh, very easy for you to fill in the gaps. Okay, folk songs are the representations. Folk songs are the representation of the rural people of a community or country. These are the familiar songs. These are the familiar songs among them. Those songs have a traditional style. These songs have a traditional style. Usually, the style includes the themes. Usually, the style includes the themes, words, and tunes of the songs that have reached for a long time. That have words, tunes of the songs existed that have existed for a long time among the rural people. Since we have a rich history, since we have a rich history, we have sung. We have huge collection of folk songs like Poligiti, Bhatiyali, Bhavaya, Jari, Shari, Gambhira, etc. Hasan Raja and Abdul Alim are our two popular folk singers. Okay, dear students, just check the answer. Folk songs are the representation of the rural people of the community or country. These are the familiar songs among them. These songs have a traditional style. Usually, the style includes the themes, words, and tunes of the songs and that have existed for a long time among the rural people. Since we have a rich history, we have huge collection of folk songs like Polligiti, Bhatiyali, Bhavaya, Jari, Shari, Gambhira, etc. Hasan Raja and Abdul Alim are our two popular folk singers. Okay, dear students, now I want to give you a homework. Just you will try to practice and write about folk songs. Write a paragraph on folk songs of Bangladesh in your own words. You need not take any help to your parents or your home teachers. Okay, thank you very much. See you next. Allah Hafiz.